What if I told you that artificial intelligence isn't just the future? It's already here, shaping the way we live, work, and even think. In 2025, AI is no longer just a buzzword or a science fiction dream. It has become a fundamental force driving the next industrial revolution, and the sooner we understand what it truly is, the better prepared we'll be for the opportunities and the challenges that lie ahead. So, what exactly is AI? At its core, artificial intelligence is the science of creating machines that can think, learn, and adapt like humans. But here's the catch. It doesn't mean these machines are conscious or that they feel emotions. Instead, AI is about teaching computers to recognize patterns, make decisions, and improve over time without being explicitly programmed for every single task. Think of it as building a mind that can learn from experience, rather than just following instructions. One of the simplest examples of AI is something you probably use every single day: your smartphone's voice assistant. Whether it's Siri, Alexa, or Google Assistant, these systems rely on natural language processing, an AI technique that helps computers understand and respond to human language. But in 2025, AI has gone far beyond answering questions or setting reminders. It's now capable of writing code, creating art, designing marketing campaigns, analyzing massive datasets, and even diagnosing medical conditions faster than doctors. The real reason AI matters in 2025 is because of its speed of progress. Just a few years ago, ChatGPT made headlines for generating human-like text. Today, large language models are embedded into business workflows, powering customer service, automating legal contracts, writing financial reports, and even generating new drug discoveries. AI isn't replacing humans. It's amplifying what we can do, and those who learn to use it effectively are setting themselves up to thrive in the new economy. But let's step back. Why is this happening now? The answer is data, computing power, and innovation. Every action we take online creates data. Billions of clicks, searches, and interactions every second. This data fuels machine learning models, which are essentially algorithms that learn from examples. Add in the massive growth of cloud computing and specialized chips like GPUs, and suddenly we have the perfect storm. Machines that can train faster, process more information, and deliver results in ways humans alone never could. This shift is already visible across industries. In healthcare, AI systems are reading X-rays, detecting tumors, and even predicting patient outcomes before symptoms appear. In finance, trading algorithms powered by AI are making split-second investment decisions worth billions of dollars. In manufacturing, smart robots are optimizing production lines with incredible precision. And in education, AI tutors are creating personalized learning paths for students, adapting in real time to their strengths and weaknesses. The opportunities are massive, but so are the challenges. One of the biggest concerns about AI in 2025 is job displacement. Yes, AI can replace repetitive tasks, from data entry to basic customer support. But the bigger story is that AI is creating new roles: prompt engineers, AI ethicists, automation strategists, and AI trainers. These jobs didn't even exist 5 years ago, and now they are some of the fastest-growing career paths in the world. The future of work won't be about competing with AI, it will be about collaborating with it. Another concern is ethics. How do we ensure that AI systems are fair, unbiased, and transparent? After all, these systems learn from data, and data often reflects human bias. If left unchecked, AI can amplify discrimination or make decisions that are difficult to challenge. That's why governments and organizations worldwide are working to regulate AI, setting standards for safety, accountability, and fairness. The European Union has already passed landmark AI laws, and countries like the US and China are racing to establish their own frameworks. And then there's the question of power. In 2025, only a handful of companies control the most advanced AI models. These firms hold the keys to the future of automation, and their influence extends into politics, culture, and global economies. Some argue that this centralization of power is dangerous, while others see it as necessary to ensure that AI development remains safe and aligned with human values. But here's the exciting part. AI isn't just for big corporations anymore. Thanks to open-source platforms and affordable cloud services, individuals and small businesses now have access to tools that were once reserved for billion-dollar tech giants. A small startup can build an AI-powered app, a content creator can generate viral videos with AI tools, and a freelancer can multiply their income by offering AI-driven services. The democratization of AI is one of the biggest reasons it matters right now. So why should you care? Because AI is no longer optional. Whether you're a student choosing a career, an entrepreneur building a business, or a professional looking to stay relevant, understanding AI is becoming as important as knowing how to use the internet was in the early 2000s. Those who adapt will have a massive advantage in the coming years. Imagine the possibilities. Personalized AI assistants that manage your daily life with near-perfect efficiency. AI systems that can design entire products from scratch, or medical breakthroughs that extend human life expectancy. We are not just witnessing technological progress. We are living through a transformation that will redefine what it means to work, to learn, and to create. Of course, AI won't solve every problem. It won't magically eliminate poverty, stop wars, or erase human flaws. But it will change the playing field, giving us tools to make smarter decisions, innovate faster, and tackle challenges that were once impossible. The question is, how will we use it? As we step into the future, one thing is clear. Ignoring AI is no longer an option. Embracing it, learning it, and using it responsibly is the path forward. In 2025, artificial intelligence is not just about technology. It's about people, progress, and possibility. And that's why it matters. If you found this breakdown helpful, make sure to subscribe to future AI news. Every week, we dive into the latest tools, breakthroughs, and opportunities so you can stay ahead of the curve and turn the future of AI into your advantage. The future isn't coming, it's already here. And together, we'll make sure you don't just witness it, but thrive in it.